So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are odd financial functions in Power BI DAX. So we have mainly four odd financial functions over here. As you guys can see, we have odd F price, odd F yield, odd L price, and odd L yield. So let's try to understand them in more detail. So odd F price returns the price per $100 face value of a security having an odd first period. Odd F yield returns the yield of security that has odd first period. And when you talk about odd L price, it returns the price per $100 face value of a security having an odd last coupon period. And similarly, we have odd L yield, which returns the yield of a security that has odd last period. The only difference between first two and last two functions are the first two functions are mainly focusing on first period, and the last two functions are mainly focusing on last periods. So let's try to understand them in detail. So for that, I will try to make you understand the order price function over here. So for that, go to home, click on new measure, and over here, let's give it a name as order price is equal to, and we'll be working with order price function. Now over here we have several parameters. So the first one is securities settlement date. Then we have securities maturity date. Then we have securities issue date. Then we have securities first coupon date. Then we have securities interest rate. Then we have securities annual yield. Then we have securities redemption value per $100 face value. Then we have frequency. Over here for annual payment, the frequency is 1. For semi-annual, the frequency is 2. And for quarterly, we have frequency is equal to 4. Now let's try to fit some value to this. So I'm going to insert some dummy values. So first of all, the first four parameters are date. So we need to make use of date function over here. Let's say my year is 2008, 11, 11. So this is my settlement date. Then we have maturity date as 2021 3 1. Then we have issue date, which is again a date, so we need to make use of date function. Let's keep it as 2008 10 15. Then we have first coupon date 2009 3 1. Then we have rate, so let's keep it at 7.8%, so that will become 0.078. Then we have the yield, so let's keep it at 6.2%, so that will become 0.062. Then we have the redemption value, which is a constant 100. Then we have frequency, so let's keep it as semi-annual, so that will become 2, and just hit enter. And over here we have successfully created a new measure as order price. So just select this. Let's see what it contains. And instead of bar, let's say I want a card. So it is returning us 113.64. So this is basically the price per $100 face value of a security having an odd first period using the terms that we have mentioned in the DAX query. So this is how one can use odd financial functions in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.